For week 3, as in every week, there are 2 ways to work through the material. You can either go to the week 3 module and click your way down through the various pages and exercises of that module, or you can go to the week 3 to-do list and follow along with that to-do list. On the week 3 to-do list this week, first is Project 1 that is due on Wednesday of this week. The rest of the material is due on Sunday, but the Project 1 is due on Wednesday. You can go to the Project 1 page for more details. Be sure not to miss the sample submission so you can see the format of what you should submit. There's also information about how to get started on the project and how to submit. This week we'll cover chapters 7, 8, and 9 of the book. As always, for each chapter there will be a page. On that page you will find some hands-on notes that will help you work your way through the hands-on exercises, point out some of the differences between the current version of Photoshop and the one described in the book. There are, of course, data files and a video walkthrough of all of the exercises. There is an optional exercise this week, an exercise on non-destructive editing, some materials for you to read, and a wiki for you to comment on. That is, of course, optional and extra credit. Homework 3 is due this week. It's the skills review from chapters 7, 8, and 9. You'll find all the data files necessary, PDFs of the solutions, and some notes about each of the exercises to help clarify and explain the exercises described in the book. And those, of course, are to be submitted. There is a quiz this week on chapters 7 through 9. Same format as the previous quizzes, open book, open notes, etc. Also this week, for extra credit, there is an anonymous survey that lets you describe how things are going in the course so far, what's working for you and what isn't. Give me a little feedback and we'll try to make the course a little bit better for the second half. And finally, not for submission, but for your interest and further Photoshop knowledge, there is even more optional material if you want to learn about adjustments and masks. Those are valuable, important Photoshop skills. You want to go deeper, this is one place to do it. That's it. Let's get started with week 3.